Back to school folders. Will it DTF? Let's find out. Welcome back to our series where we see what back to school items can be customized with DTF. Every student has folders to keep themselves organized, but folders can be so boring. So let's make them more exciting with DTF. Make sure the seam is out of the way and any metal brackets that are on the side. The press probably doesn't need to be very hot, so we'll set ours between about 260 to 265. I am a little bit concerned that the dye in the folder might get messed up by the heat a little bit, maybe discolored. Let's see how it does. Holy shnikes. You can edit that part out. Let's see how that went. Okay, that worked pretty good. From a design standpoint, I probably should have made the Superstore white, but yeah, that looks pretty good. I wonder if a second press will help this look even better. Let's give it a try. Oh yeah, that turned out a lot better after the second press. Looks fantastic. Now, I do have a little bit of white kind of peeking out around the edges, and that happens sometimes when you're pressing really hard and it's got a decent amount of white underbase, sometimes likes to squeeze out the sides. I have found in my experimenting that happens a little more often with harder surface stuff. So not totally surprised. There's a little bit of kind of a halo almost around where the film was pressed. So you might just want to be careful, maybe do an entire coverage thing versus just the small graphic in the middle. But yeah, I like it. So, folder, will it DTF? Absolutely. This is a great way to customize your students' folders with either a single graphic sticker like this or a full custom cover. We have more videos coming every morning for the next 12 days. So click subscribe and you won't miss out on another back to school Will It DTF.